Xero Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of Xero, one of the most popular cloud-based accounting software platforms. Xero is designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses and accountants, offering an all-in-one solution to manage finances, track expenses, and handle invoicing seamlessly. It stands out with its user-friendly interface and powerful features, including automatic bank reconciliation, real-time cash flow tracking, and payroll management. The software supports over 800 integrations with third-party apps like Stripe and PayPal, making it incredibly flexible for different industries. You can also create and send customized invoices, manage your inventory, and even track projects with detailed financial reporting. Xero is ideal for business owners who want to keep their financials in order without needing a degree in accounting. It offers multi-currency support, making it a strong option for businesses that operate internationally. One standout feature is the ability to collaborate with your accountant in real time. No more back and forth with files or delayed updates. Everything is stored in the cloud, making it accessible from anywhere and on any device, whether it's desktop or mobile. However, Xero does have its drawbacks. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, especially for those unfamiliar with accounting jargon. Additionally, while it offers an impressive set of features, Xero can be relatively expensive compared to other accounting tools on the market, especially if you need advanced functionalities like payroll or project tracking, which are available only in higher-tier plans. Another issue some users face is customer support, which primarily operates via email and can sometimes be slow to respond. In summary, Xero is an excellent tool for small to medium businesses that need a robust accounting platform with a range of features and integrations. But if you're new to accounting software or working on a tight budget, it might not be the best fit for you. Hopefully, this review gives you a clear understanding of whether Xero aligns with your business needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.